all of our guests, school principals, school chairmen, managers, center heads, teachers, and most importantly, for whom we are doing these events, my dear kids. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to our annual day, and thanks to each and every parents for trusting Kids Castle in providing edutainment services in most safe and secure environment. Dear parents, in last 30 years, dictionary definition of education has completely changed. Education used to be curriculum, curriculum, curriculum and curriculum. हमें कभी कभी हाथ पे स्केल भी पड़ता था. एक गुरु शिष्य की भावना बहुत एक्सट्रीम होती थी. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा अब नहीं होती, एक थोड़ा एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे थी. बट नाउ एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री हैज evolved, maybe for the betterment. It has become more of a safety security of a child. We as a head of institute understands the value of safety and security because you hand over your heart to us. You don't hand over your child to us, you hand over your heart to us, which is very high involvement when child is born. Education institute has become health and hygiene. It has become edutainment industry. It has become events. We have a micro HR company running under our institute. We need to follow the HR policies as well because customer is the king and we are a strong believer of that. Customer is the king and employees are queen. Sorry for my bad throat. So there are hell lot of things which has been added into the education industry, and somewhere the balance among all of the things is very important. Take Vibgyor, take it as a 7 energies. Don't take it as a 7 colors. Balance of 7 energies. If we have a more red color, you won't get a white light and you can't shine like a sun or you can't shine like a star. So balance among all of the energy is very very vital in today's generation. No use of having employee satisfaction if customer are dissatisfied. No use of having crores or lakhs of income when your child is untrained. Child cannot handle that intellectual property or properties. No use of spending health or for money in young generation and then spending money to get the health back. So balance among all of the things is very vital, and somewhere leaders are born to create those balances. Dear parents, I'm coming to the leadership part. There is a wise saying, leaders are born, leadership is in the blood, leadership is in a DNA. Who all are with me? Leaders are born, leadership is in blood. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, पंजाबी लोग ये अच्छा कर लेते हैं, बनियाज ये अच्छा कर लेते हैं, गुज्जूज ये अच्छा कर लेते हैं. There is another side of story. Maybe my parents are strong believer of that. Leaders are not born; they are made in the society, for the society, by the society, by providing proper training and education. IITs and IIMs and SPJs are famous for that. So there were conflict among both of the peoples. Now some researchers redesigned this definition and made it more clear. Leaders are born and made in first 5 years. Parents, trust me, leaders are born and made in first 5 years. First 5 years of a child, it's all about subconscious learning. Whatever he learns, it goes in the blood. May not be in the brain, but it goes in the blood. First 5 years of a child, EQ of a child is getting ready. We all know for any leader, EQ is more important than IQ. You take CEO of any company, he may not be having all technical skills, all HR skills. CEO of our country, Mr. Modi ji, he may not be having all surgical strike skills, all air marshal skills, he may not be having, but his EQ is at the top. Parents, I was watching Dance India Dance episode. There was a child who is around, I think, 6 years old. She got selected on Dance India Dance. There is other child in one corner of a country. She started at 20, now she is 30. She is preparing for Dance India Dance. 10 साल हो गए, she could not get selected. On a soft corner, she must be thinking कि एक बार rebirth हो जाए, शुरू के 5 years वापस आ जाए. जो 6 years की girl है Dance India Dance में, let me also get into that. So first 5 years, give time to your child. First 5 years, roots of a child is getting ready, and depth of the roots decides the strength of a tree. And we at the Kids Castle have a strong expertise in creating the depth of the roots of a child. Thank you parents, thank you everyone. And I would like to specially thanks all of the guests, and special thanks to all of the parents for your vital time. You're giving your vital time to the kids. All guests. I will start from my right, Mr. Anand Bansal ji. He's from Presidium Dwarka Sector 6. Thank you for your time. Mr. Nanda, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You have been always guiding our kids. Thank you, Anubha ma'am from Banastali Public School. And you have been always supporting on all of the things we need, whether infrastructure or intellectual thoughts we have been sharing. Thank you so much. And we have Mr. Modi and Mr. Rajat Modi from Modern Era School. Thank you so much, sir. You have a ample of experience, and you have been somewhere. You have taught generations out together, not like number of kids, but generations. You have been spreading education since last 50 years. Last but not the least, most importantly, the heart and the soul of Kids Castle, Mr. and Mrs. Bajaj. They founded us, and somewhere we founded Kids Castle, and they have been spreading education since last 30 to 40 years. And I have seen them from zero, and but I am here because of them. But Shweta, Anuj are here, we are because of them. Because of them, we managed to open 43 schools across our country. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I won't be taking much of your time, and let's enjoy the show. Thank you, everyone.